Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me right now?
Damn. Oh, fuck.
Are you okay?
Fuck.
I can offload some of the intentionality to the regime.
Holy!
Should have been playing with us, but they haven't found the cash, and so far, all they say is they're looking into it. If you just, I don't know, buried it in mason jars around your property like normal people, then you'd be fine.
Great.
Whoa! Shit! Fuck! What the fuck? What the hell is that?
Who is that?
What's that? Come on. Fuck! What the hell? What the hell? What the hell is that? Don't go! Fuck! Stop! 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 You see that? Fuck! Oh shit! What the hell is that? What the hell? It did a U-turn. 我眼鏡咧
Yeah, I know, I saw what happened.
You saw that? Thank you.
Are you okay? You have a child?
Yes, 2 child, please. I have the camera, okay? I have the
No,
camera.
no,
And there's 2 infants. There's an infant and kids.
No, I just slipped. I know, I didn't mean to. Yeah, no, I think it was a curve and then it slipped.
Yeah.
Yeah, sorry, it was a curve. And he
You
slipped.
did a U-turn or something?
No, he slipped. That's why he was trying to avoid. He was trying to avoid. I was trying to. You have the dashcam, right? Okay. Call 911. I just want to make sure
Okay.
you have it.
Holy lady, what the are you doing? Oh my God. Are you stupid? What the hell are you doing? Oh my God. I think she was playing with her phone. She had her phone in her hand. Let that be a lesson to you, boys and girls. Do not play with your phone.
40 years. I think it's almost 49 years now. Freddie Jenkins is on the air right now, so he'll come out and correct me in a minute.
Undoubtedly.
He just shrugged. I think 1-800-962-9812 is one of the North Carolina programs that you track. The programs make possible with your support, whether it be the local programs or the NPR programs. Listener support makes it happen.
Think about how often you've got some news and information that really sparks a conversation around